Ramesh Damani was born into a middle-class family where he spent his formative years. Growing up in a modest household, he imbibed values of hard work and perseverance from his parents. Even as a child, Damani displayed a curiosity about the world of finance, often observing and questioning his elders about economic matters and business affairs. Ramesh Damani was born in Hyderabad, the son of a stock market investor who had been active since the 1960s. From an early age, Damani showed a keen interest in finance and developed the habit of reading international press, immersing himself in global economic affairs. In pursuit of further education, he ventured to California in 1977 to pursue his MBA. Damani fondly recalls his father's early involvement in the stock market, particularly during a significant event in Indian economic history. In 1977, George Fernandez, the industry minister at the time, implemented a law requiring multinational companies, MNCs, to dilute their stake and become listed entities in India to conduct business. This led to companies like Nestle, Colgate, and Glaxo diluting their stake to Indian investors at low prices due to insufficient liquidity. Seizing the opportunity, Damani's father acquired a substantial quantity of these MNC stocks at favorable prices, laying the groundwork for future investment success. Damani's academic journey began in Mumbai, where he attended local schools and demonstrated a natural aptitude for academics. He excelled in his studies, particularly in subjects like mathematics and economics, which laid the groundwork for his future pursuits in finance. After completing his schooling, Damani pursued higher education, earning a degree in commerce from a reputable university in Mumbai. After graduating from HR College in Mumbai, Ramesh Damani pursued further education by obtaining an MBA from California State University, Northridge. Despite his academic achievements, Damani faced his fair share of struggles and setbacks in his early career. He encountered challenges securing employment opportunities and often found himself in precarious financial situations. These setbacks served as valuable learning experiences, instilling in him a sense of resilience and determination to overcome adversity. Damani's interest in the stock market was peaked during his college years, where he began dabbling in trading and investing with whatever little savings he had. He immersed himself in studying market trends, analyzing company fundamentals, and honing his investment strategies. Despite initial losses and setbacks, Damani persisted, driven by his passion for the financial markets and his desire to build wealth through prudent investing. Damani received a pivotal call from his father, offering him USD 10,000, a significant amount at the time, considering the conversion rate, with a unique condition: he must invest the entire sum. Remarkably, his father assured him that if he incurred losses, there would be no repercussions, and he could retain the entire amount earned. This proposition served as a risk-free opportunity for Damani to venture into the world of stock markets, setting the stage for his journey to Dalal Street. However, Damani's initial foray into investing encountered challenges. Despite the buoyant conditions in the U.S. stock market at the time, he managed to lose the entire USD 10,000 within 6 months. This setback underscored the importance of learning from mistakes and served as a valuable lesson for Damani, emphasizing the unpredictable nature of financial markets and the need for prudent risk management. It also reinforced the notion that formal education, such as his MBA, does not guarantee success in investing, highlighting the importance of practical experience and continuous learning in the field. Undeterred by this setback, Damani returned to India in 1988, accompanied by his wife and son, and embarked on a new chapter in his career as a member of the Bombay Stock Exchange, BSE. Despite the substantial cost of membership, which amounted to around 6-7 lakhs at the time, Damani viewed it as a worthwhile investment in his future, recognizing the potential to transform his life through active participation in the financial markets. During that period, brokers earned a meager 1-1.5% brokerage, whereas proprietary investors like Rakesh Jhunjhunwala, Radhakrishna Damani, and Nimish Shah, all of whom were Damani's friends, were reaping substantial profits with returns ranging from 100 to 200%. This stark contrast in earnings prompted Damani to reconsider his approach to investing and explore alternative strategies to maximize returns. As an investor, Damani achieved significant gains in stocks such as Infosys, with returns of 500x, and CMC Limited, with returns of 40x. These remarkable investments were made possible by Damani's background in technology, having worked as a coder in the US. His tech expertise enabled him to recognize the value of technology companies, particularly in the Indian outsourcing market, where he identified lucrative investment opportunities and capitalized on them. Over time, Damani developed a disciplined approach to investing, focusing on value-oriented strategies and long-term wealth creation. He carefully researched and selected undervalued stocks with strong growth potential, building a diversified portfolio that reflected his investment philosophy. Damani's keen eye for value and his ability to identify hidden gems in the market set him apart as a savvy investor. Damani candidly admits that despite his confidence in the Indian IT narrative and Infosys' strong fundamentals, he hesitated to place a significant bet on the company. However, witnessing Infosys' remarkable ascent, with its stock price soaring 500 times over, made him recognize the significance of betting big in the stock market. Determined not to repeat the same mistake, Damani seized the opportunity presented by CMC Limited and took a substantial stake in the company. This bold move proved to be immensely profitable, as CMC Limited's stock price surged from a modest 20 to an astounding 2,800 in just a year. This success reaffirmed Damani's belief in the importance of conviction and decisive action in the world of investing. Through his astute investment decisions and prudent risk management, Damani gradually built a reputation as a successful investor in the Indian stock market. His portfolio of investments yielded impressive returns over the years, earning him recognition and respect within the investment community. Damani's insights into market trends and his ability to spot emerging opportunities made him a sought-after figure among investors and analysts alike. Ramesh Damani, age 66, has been a member of the Bombay Stock Exchange, BSE, since 1989, leveraging his expertise as a broker in navigating the complexities of the stock market. Additionally, he serves as the managing director of Ramesh Damani Finance Pvt. Limited, where he applies his financial acumen to provide valuable services to clients. He actively engages in investment activities across both the Indian and U.S. stock markets, predominantly through his personal portfolio. Additionally, he holds the position of chairman at Avenue Supermarts Limited, the parent company of the renowned retail chain D-Mart. In addition to his roles within the financial industry, Damani holds a position on the board of directors at VIP Industries Limited, contributing his insights and guidance to the company's strategic direction and growth initiatives. Damani's influence extends beyond his professional roles, as he has become a familiar face in the media landscape. He has hosted several shows on CNBC TV 18, including Wizards of Dalal Street, Oriental Occidental, and RD 360. Through these platforms, Damani shares his wealth of knowledge and perspectives on financial matters, offering valuable insights to audiences seeking to navigate the dynamic world of finance. Today, Ramesh Damani stands as a prominent figure in the Indian financial industry, admired for his wisdom, integrity, and contributions to the field of investing. He continues to actively manage his investments, sharing his insights and perspectives through various forums, including interviews, articles, and public appearances. Damani's journey from humble beginnings to investment luminary serves as an inspiration to aspiring investors, demonstrating the power of knowledge, discipline, and perseverance in achieving financial success.